Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something extra special for you. I'm going to show you how to access my pattern to create this button-up crochet top that's both stylish and customized to fit your body perfectly. Now this is my first official published pattern, so I try to keep it as simple as possible. The pattern is available as a PDF and comes with detailed instructions, ensuring that even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along and create a stunning piece. The best part about this pattern truly is that it is made to measure, which means that you can create a top that's tailor-made just for you or for where you're making it for. The pattern does include handy measurement tips allowing you to achieve sizes ranging from small all the way up to 4XL, but it's a pattern that really and truly caters to everyone. To grab your own copy of this amazing crochet pattern, you can find it on popular platforms such as Etsy and Ravelry. But you can also find it on my personal official website, www.ivymade.com. I have also included the links in the bio below, so make sure to check them out, whichever platform you feel like is best for you, and you can view the pattern there. Thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upload. Stay tuned for more inspiring crochet projects, patterns, and tutorials. Until next time, happy crocheting!